Yeah.
Ow! Try again.
Okay, try again.
Oh.
Good one.
Now you do going on cartwheel.
Okay, do it. Woo! Are you done?
One more.
Okay.
I'm going to do a drop on and flex on. That's what they do. That's hard to read.
Okay, do it.
That's a flare jump. Flip.
Good job.
Which one now?
Do you have any more tricks?
Sean Kamba.
What's that?
Fox.
What does that mean?
That's hard.
Oh.
That's my hard one.
Oh, good job.
Now another hard one.
Good one. Okay, we're going to end the video. Do one more trick.
Okay, one more.
Okay, one more. Last one. Tell everyone's the last one.
No, I love them debate.